I'm hearing, this is not a love song. 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 I think it's Nouvelle Vague. And this might be significant for you. Maybe you're about to meet love. What I know is you're a queen or you're a king. What you've been through recently is setting you free. Someone out there, you have called your power back, and not only your power back, your energy, life force energy, your abundance, your wealth, but more importantly and very interesting is your keys and your codes. So someone out there used to have, I'm hearing also a hidden relationship, but a hidden is like maybe you ignore that you had this bond or these ties or just this cord that we cut a few days ago with a toxic family member. And also, again, this person used to siphon your energy. Again, I think you are not aware, or you were not aware, and you just simply cut the cords, or maybe you did a ritual, you found a video or something, and you did it because your spirit, your higher self knew it was the exact time you were supposed to do it. And again, you didn't know the impact it could get, or what you're about to get is way more exciting and bigger that you can actually imagine, because I think you underestimated. And I feel like a weight leaving my system. I think you underestimated the weight you used to carry, the pain, the emotion you used to carry within yourself, within your DNA regarding this person, and it's leaving you. And again, everything that is leaving you is being replaced with what this person used to steal without your consent and your permission. And let me tell you that for some of you, it's huge. It's like lifetime, because the cord, the bond, the ties you just cut, again, it might be not only from this lifetime. It might be connected to a past life. And so since this amount of time your soul stayed quiet, I'm very drawn to someone stealing. So again, this person used to manifest through your life force energy. And now that you cut out, you're gaining everything that has been manifested with this energy. And it's huge. It's massive. It's massive. Thank you, Archangel Michael. This energy, this person is taking everything that belongs to them from you, all pain, all memories, all the emotions I'm hearing. And you're taking your power back, your money back, your abundance, your sexual energy, your creativity back. You're in the process of understanding what I'm talking about. Yeah, for some of you, it's a big 10,000 hours. This is the amount of time, more or less, you spend healing and recovering, I'm hearing from this person. And that's why also someone has activated their dragon. And that's why also you can be grateful and releasing this person with so much gratitude, because they helped you remember who you truly are, your gifts, your talents, your abilities. I'm hearing it was not in vain. Obviously, it was your initiation, but I'm hearing, do not, how can I say that? It was painful. And I'm hearing, okay, now, do not minimizing the fact that it was very painful. It's so beautiful, but you're God's favorite. That's why. I'm also hearing that this is the time for you to take the keys to your kingdom. You see this is very interesting, this keys. Someone used to maybe have the keys of something, but also I'm talking about ancient codes that they took without your consent. God is giving you the keys of something, a house, a business. It's part of your inheritance. You see, I cannot make this up. Isis, you're extremely connected to Isis, and she's making sure you're taking what's yours. And I got full body chills out there. She's around, you guys. She's around. If you want to dig deeper, you can access my website. I also offer powerful healings and codes that will help you. If it's new for you, take your power back, your soul fragment back. You see, it's big. I call my power back. See, she is making sure you're taking your power back. And you can also see by just repeating, I call my power back from any timeline, space, dimension, realities, person, situation, entities, how good your entire system feels right away. You're just like, it's immediate. You see, I got the wind of change. I cannot make this up. It's going to get back to you. I'm hearing for some of you overnight. And this is even more than just money. It's peace and it's freedom. For some of you, prepare, because you've been praying for that long time ago and a lot. And it's as if now you can finally detach because your soul is at peace. Because most importantly, of course, when you're not free financially, you're worried, but also this worrying, it's connected to these wounds, not feeling at peace. So obviously when you cut the cords, you become free and you can align with peace. And again, your nervous system, thank you for the confirmation on my phone. Your nervous system is the number one friend when you want to manifest, because you cannot manifest when you're not at peace, when you're vibrating with fear. You are also very protected by your ancestors and your family from the start. I cannot make this up. Oh my God, I love you so much. I love your angels. I love you. I love your ancestors. I love mine. We're so protected. This is beautiful. I send you so much light right now, and I hope you can feel this. I am so happy that you are about to experience the peace of mind, because again, yes, we deserve the best in this world. We deserve the absolute best, but what we crave is peace, the peace of mind. When you prepare your tea or you go to bed, you know that you're at peace. This inner calm is priceless. I cannot make this up. Your wish fulfillment is here. Thank you, bird. Oh my God, I hope you can hear. I cannot make this up. Guys, you guys. I cannot. This is massive confirmation. And I'm praying for you to find this video at the right time. You're finally able to understand the process of manifestation, and you understand why this healing journey took place, because of all the trauma bonds you had to transmute into love, light, and truth for you to be aligned, for your nervous system to be freed, for you to manifest effortlessly. Because again, it's a natural process. Nothing has to be forced. But when you're aligned with fear, anxiety, it's just not possible. You can handle the divine flow for more than 3 or 4 days, and then boom, it's ruining everything. I love you so much. And until next time, namaste.